Thinesh Ravichandran and my metric number is A1980950. Today I am going to present about our group assignment report based on IKEA company. Once IKEA launched IKEA in 1943, we've made great strides. IKEA has grown from small Swedish business providing through a mail order catalog to some very well-known home furnishings companies in the world. The mission is to improve the quality of life for not just our consumers but also our employees and partners. Social entrepreneurs strive to improve the quality of life in their areas. The employee business to address social and environmental issues such as poverty reduction and women empowerment.
Hello madam and hello everyone. I'm Satishwar Uday Kumar and my matrix number is A198A0826. I'm going to explain about personality. We have different characteristics and we behave differently. People do not necessarily behave the same way in all scenarios because we may be wild and crazy at times and can be serious and responsible sometimes. The first theory is Freudian theory. The Freudian theory explains that an individual's personality determines how well a person manages with challenges that they face since childhood. This theory also explains that personality is made up of three elements, which is ID, ego, and superego. The ID refers to a wild child who is seeking for an immediate achievement. The ID is the inner personality, which is selfish. Next, the ego. Ego serves as the bridge between the ID and the superego. It acts as a judge in between the battle, temptation, and morality. The ego grows in reaction to reality demands. It begins to form individual dealing with the outside world in a more realistic manner. Lastly, superego. Superego is a system serves the individual's conscience. It strives to prevent the ID from pursuing selfish fulfillment by internalizing society laws, especially as they are taught to us by our parents. In consumer behavior, the ID, ego, and superego all play an essential role. It emphasizes the possible impact unconscious impulses in our purchasing decision. This theory makes consumers to think well before they purchase something. Consumer picks IKEA over other brands because IKEA has been delivering quality products and service. This shows that Freudian theory has been applied here. The next theory is trait theory. Traits are internal personality that differentiate one individual from another. A trait is a somewhat stable pattern that causes people to behave in a specific manner. According to this theory, an individual's personality is built up of the characteristics and emotions of human being. Trait theory applies here when IKEA offers a variety of quality products for an affordable price. Consumers are being loyal to IKEA and they do not want to buy any other brand's furniture products. Brand personality. A brand personality establishes a company position in the marketplace. It is important part of every successful marketing strategy. Consumers are more likely to acquire a brand if it shares their personality. IKEA is very concerned on choosing the woods or raw materials for their products because it holds their brand image. IKEA also provides a good service to their consumer. One of their services is online sales. This service has increased the brand personality. Product personality and its association with colors. Many entrepreneurs acknowledge the role of selecting the appropriate color for their brand. When it comes to influencing consumer behavior, choosing a proper color is very important. IKEA's current logo is a sign for immediate brand recognition. The logo with a yellow circle inside a blue rectangle and blue letters in the middle portrays the company at its best, referring to the happiness, convenience, trustworthiness, and safety. Moreover, the blue of the IKEA draws attention to the offer, making the brand shine up. Besides that, the yellow color is a cheerful color that gives consumers a favorable impression whenever they come into contact with the IKEA brand, everywhere and at any time. They also add distinctiveness and Swedish history. In a nutshell, A good logo with a good color will have a good impact for the company by the consumer.
Salam sejahtera and good day everyone. My name is Consumeran. My matrika number is A19A0825. Today I will present about motivation and involvement. What is motivation? Why is motivation important in the life of a person or an employee? Motivation is an important element that needs to be possessed by every individual and employer so that they are always active and not easily tired to pursue their future or life goals. Motivation can be also defined as a process of initiating, guiding and maintaining goal-oriented behavior in order to achieve success. With this, we have chosen IKEA company as our research company. With this motivation elements must be owned by IKEA company to remain in the market. Therefore, this element of motivation is important in measuring progress and can provide energy and positive impact to employee to continue to work with enthusiasm. This motivation can be divided into two, namely extrinsic motivation and intrinsic motivation. The first is extrinsic motivation or external motivation, which is motivation that arises from the outside. This situation has been covered by the company IKEA, that the company has given sufficient motivation to employee to give sufficient commitment to produce output. For example, IKEA reward year and bonus, health insurance and promotion to employees. Intrinsic motivations are motivation from within an employee. This motivation is the motivation that needs to think and act by an employee himself. However, employees at IKEA company do not have to worry because IKEA company has provided an initiative that is employee who feel bored with the structure or scope of work it done will be transferred to another part of the job. In addition, the IKEA company has a slogan of that's okay to employees to make mistakes so that all employees can learn from their mistake and improve it. Maslow's hierarchical theory. This is one of the important theories in one's life. This theory is very important because an individual must have adequate needs. Maslow's hierarchical theory also emphasizes on 5 basic needs, namely psychology, safety, social appreciation, and self-fulfillment. With this, IKEA company is one of the companies that produce products that meet the needs and desire of a person. Therefore, IKEA is a manufacturer that produces furniture and items for home use to customer. Therefore, IKEA can be should continue to sell products that give perfection to customer. With this, services such as safe installation will provide a full protection to the customer. Employee engagement, also known as involvement, is described as establishing an atmosphere in which an employee is more involved in day-to-day and decision making, resulting in a stronger connection with the boss. IKEA company must take care of all the performance of both parties so as not incur such as large losses. IKEA company must take care of the hearts of both parties so that the input and output process can be carried out. Okay, thank you. That's from me.
My name is NADIA Francis and my matrix number is A19800056. I will present session 3 on main competitive range based on perceptual map. So first competitor is a platform like a Wayfair and Amazon. These two companies that are similar to IKEA. Next competitor for IKEA is Walmart. Although IKEA has a greater market share than Walmart has a considerably broader product rank. Other competitor for IKEA is Muji. In this section, we compare the points of difference between IKEA and Muji to those of its competitors. There are other several competitors for IKEA such as JYSK, Williams Sonoma, Portreban, Ethan Allen, and others. So the opportunity to repositioning the IKEA product is by target a different audience. Other than that, customer engagement. All of our relation with customer, whether online or offline, refer to as a customer engagement. Next part is extrinsic and intrinsic cues used in assessing the perceived quality is by brand image, price, channel members, and color. For the brand image, is the total of customer which encounter with IKEA product. Next, for the price, IKEA product will help to define the value of products. Other than that, for the channel, known as a business, that is a part of network that assist a manufacturer in getting IKEA product to customer. And lastly, the color has a biggest impact on how people view the IKEA brand. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, now I would like to continue with my part, which is reinforcing consumer learning. Reinforcement is the incentive, pleasure, happiness, and advantages that a customer receives after purchasing by using the good and service. IKEA always care for the peoples and also environment. This makes the customer to sustain on the product produced by IKEA. This also one of the way how IKEA reinforcing consumer learning by taking care towards them. IKEA is a value-driven company. Since our founding over than 75 years back, we have chosen to side with several and the IKEA mission of improving daily life of many is more important than ever. By adopting our continuous production design features during the design stage, IKEA will create every good from the start to be reused, reconditioned, regenerated, and ultimately recycled. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Atira Binti Musa. My metric number is A198072. I represent about 6.0 customer attitude formation or change. First is attitude evolves object. IKEA is continually changed to create more without sacrificing on quality, since there are many individuals who can afford a beautiful and practical home. As a result, more customers will pick IKEA as their retailer of choice for product and service. IKEA is always seeking for a new and better method to go forward because they feel that anything they accomplish today may be improved even tomorrow. The quality, design, and cost benefits of IKEA products, as well as a variety variable service provided by IKEA, are all factors that influence customer decision to choose IKEA as their reference furniture brand. Second is attitude evolved learning. Malaysians are familiar with IKEA due to word of mouth formation. As many famous goods has been marketed across the world, customers are continually exposed to IKEA products in-house and businesses around the country. This constant exposure has influenced customer perception of furniture, and many people consider IKEA first when deciding where to shop for furniture. Third is attitude evolved consistency. Customers visit IKEA because of the cost advantage it claims to have over other furniture retailers. Customers prefer IKEA because their products are often less expensive than those sold by other furniture merchants, and they may buy a lot of product for a lower price. Furthermore, IKEA has a wide choice of items giving a operation a competitive advantage. 4 is a detailed involved situation circumstance. Next, I'll continue with 3 component attitude model. First is connective component. To begin with, the connective component is learned through IKEA product value positioning, which is easy to build high quality furniture at cheap comparable price. Second is effective component. IKEA low cost, high quality food will entice more customers to visit the store and spend more time there after eating. In addition, IKEA provide high quality things at reasonable cost. IKEA customers always seek to spend at least amount of money possible on excellent and good product. Third is the connective component. IKEA providing the most affordable price. IKEA competitive edge is built on a foundation of cost effectiveness. Because of the mix of economies of scale and technological integration into multiple business processes, the global furniture retailer is able to provide affordable costs.
Thank you to Atira. Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Intan Akila binti Zakaria. My metric number is 19A058C. Today I will present about section C, communication and consumer behavior. Communication is the cornerstone to a successful business because everything is run properly and efficiently, and everything is in order. IKEA uses print and online advertising as one of its primary marketing tactics for reaching out to certain customer category. Online is a marketing strategy that involves leveraging the internet to drive traffic to a website as well as target and deliver marketing message to the right people. IKEA uses social media, website, and email to advertise online. Social media. Despite the increasing volatility of the digital era, IKEA has been able to harness the power of social media and create some of the best and most imaginative social media advertising. IKEA is also a social media first to be reckoned with. It has accounts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Sleep Like a Princess, one of the IKEA most well-known commercial, was created to address difficulties related to poor sleep quality. Second, website. IKEA believes that every employee has something valuable to share, and their internal communications team is crucial to the company talent development and support process. IKEA website emphasizes the company goal and culture of togetherness. IKEA is continuously working to bring people together and provide opportunities for everyone to grow and contribute to the company's success. Third, email. As a result, the IKEA family card has shown to be effective in meeting one of the primary goals of email marketing campaign, regularly appearing in customers' inbox is a good opportunity to keep them up to date on everything IKEA has to offer. Print advertising. Print advertising is a form for marketing that makes use of actual print media to reach a big audience. Customers can see advertisements in newspaper, magazine, and journal that have been printed in hard copy. For print advertisements, IKEA use magazine. Magazines After all, using a website may be easier than operating a large catalog and browsing page to find the item you want. IKEA, on the other hand, continues to successfully use the printing capacity of its magazine in a practical, visual, and educational manner. IKEA uses social media advertising in general and viral marketing in particular, both of which has a significant impact on brand awareness. IKEA, for example, has not yet fully embraced the digital revolution and has not properly utilized all of its online marketing material. That's all from me. Thank you. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Salam sejahtera and good day everyone. My name is Satilagi Poniswaran. My matric number is A90A0825. Today I will present about conclusion. The IKEA Corporation is regarded as one of the world's premier retailer. It has created a modern furniture line that is both good in quality and affordable in price. These things were created to fulfill the needs of various clients. Environmentally friendly materials are used to wrap the company's product. Its goal is to lower manufacturing costs and gain a competitive advantage by improving cost efficiency and the value chain. It creates items that are suitable for clients and do not go against their cultural beliefs. It is very important in terms of corporate social responsibility. It collaborates with non-governmental organizations to protect its clients' livelihoods. IKEA has a well-organized transportation network that guarantees that items are accessible to large number of customers. IKEA is a retailer international. It also understands the dynamic of the local market because it sells its product via a variety of venues. The firm has a vast global network of branches. It has a large number of clients and suppliers, which aids in the company's internationalization. IKEA exemplifies the importance of forming strategic partnership with the manufacturer and suppliers. The firm sells that goods are reasonably simple to put together. Side tables and coffee tables, which come in a variety of styles, are quite popular all over the world. IKEA is a company that sells affordable furniture. Thank you. That's for me.